Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you how to set up an account for Epic. So as you see, I'm in my Google Mail where I sent you guys an email from Epic. It's going to come from Epic Books for Kids. So when I click on the link, it says, "Hi, Mrs. L. We've been using useful tools in class called Epic." If I continue to scroll down, you're going to see it says free remote student access. You should not pay anything. When I continue scrolling down, you're going to see this blue sign up now button. Click that button. And it should take you to this page, the Epic page. And it says get Epic free through June 30th. No credit card required. Remember, you're not paying for anything. This is a free trial. So I'm going to create an account. I'm going to use the email that I sent you the email to. So whatever email that is. So I'm going to put in my email address. And I'm going to make up a password. And after that, I'm going to create an account. Once that's done, you have officially signed up for Epic. So you'll see welcome to the leading digital library for kids, and you can either download it on the App Store or get it on your phone. I'm going to visit the website. Now that I've logged in, I'm going to choose my profile. That's me. And now I have access to all of these books.